walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face, you saw the look on my heart to get out of this place. I sensed something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I am doing a video which is very different. Okay, first of all, let me tell you, I'm shooting it in my society outdoors because I was very bored to sit inside and shoot the same videos. So I thought of shooting it over here. You must have read the title of this video and you know what this video is. It is something which I've never done. So I thought of doing this. Okay, so I had sent questionnaires to all my friends. So I just sent it to all my close friends and I wanted reactions from them, because that is what this video is, right? So I think we should start with the video. Firstly, I'll just show you what the questions were. So the title of the quiz was, if you receive this quiz, then it means you were or are a very close or a close friend of mine at some point of time in my life. So the first question was, what is your name? Second one was, is it okay if I disclose your name in my YouTube video? And there are few people who aren't comfortable, so I'm not going to take their names. Third question was, how do you know me? Like from which place, where did we meet and all. Then the next question was, what was my first impression? Then the next was, rate my personality. Then the next was, something you don't like about me. The next one was, how close are we? So here I gave a scale of like 1 to 10 and they were supposed to rate it. The next was, your favorite memory of us. And the last, not the last one, sorry. Second last one was, describe me in 3 words, and the last question was, any last words for my YouTube viewers. And let me tell you, I didn't read the answers, the responses yet, so it won't be a fake reaction. So the first one is, what is your name? Your Medhu. Next question is it okay if I disclose your name in my YouTube video? Obviously she said yes, that's why I've disclosed the name. Next is, how do you know me? School. We met in school. The next one was, what was my first impression? Nice, sweet, happy, go lucky type of person. Okay. Next is, rate my personality. So she has rated 8, which is very good. Next is, something you don't like about me. She said, you not being able to say no when you should. I know where this is coming from, Vida. I mean, every place, okay? Whenever I'm supposed to say no, or if somebody asks me for a favor, I'm always like, yes, 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 yes. But then I'm learning to say no now. How close are we? This is rated 10. Your favorite memory of us? Throughout 11th and 12th, because we sat together and after school masti. Yes, we were like bench partners for 11th as well as 12th standard. So we were like bench buddies. The next is, describe me in 3 words. Affectionate, okay. Simple at heart, and in brackets she's written, yes, it is counted as single word. Okay Veda, whatever you say. And the next is, full of life. That is very sweet. And then the next, that is the last question, is any last words for my YouTube viewers. So she said, subscribe to her channel if you find her content relatable and reminds you of a friend you wanna squish. Yes, I'm always open for hugs. Okay, so the next person we have here is, who has also said that it's okay if I disclose his name, is Jivesh. So how do you know me? Well, that's something I don't remember exactly, but yes, a PPT presentation and I was behind you and was just poking you as usual. Next was, what was my first impression? Or bro, kya haal hai? I don't know what exactly this means, but okay, sab badhiya. Next is, rate my personality, and he's given 10, which is very nice. Thank you, Jivesh. Okay, so there's just been a little adjustment of frame over here. So the question I was reading was, something you don't like about me. So he's like, oh god, where do I even start? This won't be enough. But yes, I hate that you cancel all plans made and you're a lazy ass. Okay, so there, like every plan we made in like these 3 years of BCom, they were cancelled somehow. Not my fault always, Jivesh. Even you had other plans. Okay, I accept that I'm a lazy ass. Okay, moving on. How close are we? From the scale of 1 to 10, he said 8, which is pretty good. Yeah. So your favorite memory of us? That would be the one we went to, Crazy Cheesy. Yeah, the only place we went for outing was Crazy Cheesy Cafe. So that's it. Yeah. Describe me in 3 words. Crazy, loving and annoying. Thanks. Any last word? That was an awkward thanks because I know it is more of annoying and other 2 words. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? Follow and subscribe her for more fun content. Guys, if you still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And also go follow Oshoot on Instagram. Obviously he's promoting himself. It's okay even if you don't follow him. So the next person we have here is another friend of mine, and she's not comfortable disclosing her name, so okay. How do you know me? Childhood friends. What was my first impression? Sweetest person. Rate my personality. She's given 10. Something you don't like about me? She said nah, which is nothing. How close are we? 7 on the scale of 1 to 10. Your favorite memory of us? Kavadyachi bhaji. Okay, it's a long story. It was some kind of joke we used to play. Anyways. And the next question is, describe me in 3 words. Most amazing person. Thank you so much. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? Keep following her. She's the best. I am the best. Thanks. Also, you know who you are, so I love you. Okay, so the next person here is, who's okay with me disclosing her name on YouTube, is Andre. Okay, her name is Andrea, but I call her Andre. How do you know me? 301 to 503. Those were our class, what do we call it? Classrooms, yeah. 301 to 503. Those were the numbers. What was my first impression? I thought you were serious, but after we became besties, you are the most fun-loving and kind and caring person. It was a new college, okay, and I was in a different... So I was a bit nervous about everything. That's why I used to be like quiet and people thought I was serious because शक्ल ही ऐसी है, क्या कर सकते हैं बताओ. Rate my personality. She's given 10. Thanks. Something you don't like about me? You get upset fast. Yes, I do get upset fast. And okay, if I say there's nothing I can do about it, you will comment down below. You'll be like, no, Shraddha, you can work on it. So I'll try. How close are we? 10. So your favorite memory of us? My morning hugs every day. Oh yes, I miss those. Come back to Pune, yaar. Okay, next is describe me in 3 words. Amazing, active and amiable. Dude, at least write something जिसका meaning मुझे पता हो. I'll have to Google it now. What is amiable? And I hope I'm pronouncing it right. But whatever it is, I know it's very sweet. Love you. And the last one is for my YouTube viewers. Subscribe and support my buddy vlogger. See, everybody is saying subscribe, so you should subscribe. The next one is Shivangi. And how do you know me? We became friends in APS. What was my first impression? Sweet girl, easy to talk. Rate my personality. She's given 10. Thank you. Something you don't like about me? Kabhi to ghar aaja. I promise I'll cook. Bracket में she's written order in. Good stuff for you. तो पहले ना खाना बनाना. तू पानी उबालना सीख ले, मैं आ जाती हूँ. I promise. How close are we? 9. Yes. Your favorite memory of us? Imagica, then maths class in school, etc, etc, etc. Obviously we have a lot of memories. And yeah, Imagica was one of them. Describe me in 3 words. Affectionate, fun-loving and patient. Yes, I am patient. I am very patient, and thanks for listening. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? Subscribe to her channel. Hello, you won't regret it. This is very sweet. Okay, so the next person here is Pooja. And how do you know me? She's like, don't know. Okay, don't expect good stuff from this one, okay? Don't. What was my first impression? Army school में पढ़ने वाली लड़की. What is this concept people have? Army school में पढ़ने वाले बच्चे जिनको घोड़ा चलाना आता है, हाथी चलाना आता है. क्या मतलब है? कुछ भी. Okay, rate my personality. She's given a 10. Something you don't like about me? ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं है भाई. पंतु को फेड़िए है खरे. जिसको समझ में आया उसको समझ में आया. How close are we? 10. Your favorite memory of us? लिस्ट आहे पण तरी आपण सेल्फी वाला सीन and Imagica best eyes. Obviously again Imagica over here, and it's a long story where we actually met with an accident while taking selfie while riding. Don't keep on hating me in the comment section, but that's what happened. Yeah, so the next is describe me in 3 words. Notorious, craziest, panda, obviously. Any last words for my YouTube viewers? May you cross 10 million and above. May you cross 10 million and above. और इसके चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दो और इसे बहुत फेमस कर दो, क्योंकि ऐसे करने से मैं भी पॉपुलर हो जाऊंगी. these so-called best friend people, no, खुद selfish हमेशा.